All right. Hi guys.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna make a type of banana pancake.
Banana pancakes, right?
Wow.
Who's excited?
Me.
Me too. Look, I've got all the ingredients here on the table. These banana pancakes are very easy to make and they're really delicious, right?
The things you need is mashed banana on a plate, a spoon of honey, 1 egg, 1 box of milk.
You don't need a whole carton of milk. No. Okay, hold on. Let's go slowly. The first thing I want you to do, guys, is crack the egg. So we need 1 egg, okay? This recipe is going to give you about 10 small pancakes, all right? So who's going to crack the egg?
Me!
Rock, scissors, paper. Close your eyes.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Don't. It's only fair, right? It's only fair. Remember how to crack so we got no shells inside the bowl. Okay? And don't touch your nose when you're cooking. Got it. Good. No. Here.
Oh yeah.
You forgot, man. Nice and hard. Okay, that's it. Apart. Whoa, that was good. Okay, let me get you.
Any shells?
Yeah, no shells. Let me just get you some kitchen towel. Hold on a minute. Right, let me just get you a kitchen towel, please. It does smell a bit disgusting. Right, you need this for your hands.
What?
Wipe your hands. All right. Now what we need to do is, we have here, guys, 1 tablespoon, hold on, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil.
Now it's my turn.
And Mimi's going to put the coconut oil in the bowl as well. Go in, Mimi.
Is that coconut oil?
No, this one. Put it in there. All in. Oh, I need to get a spoon in here. Excuse me, Dum.
Mommy, can I
Not yet. Right. Let's just make sure we get everything out. Here, wipe your hands. Lovely. Now we need 1 tablespoon of honey. Dom's going to do the honey. Baby Dom. Put the honey in there. Whoa, that's like really good. Hold on, just made a mess here myself.
Honey.
That's all right. Right, then Mommy just get everything out now.
There's nothing.
No. We're gonna lick it. What? That is a bit crazy. It's all out.
Mommy, can you lick it?
We're gonna lick it when we finish. Deal? What we need now is to mix it. Oh, I forgot the whisk.
I love you guys.
I forgot the whisk. Hold on.
Mommy, can I know whisk it, right?
Yeah, you're gonna whisk it and then Dum.
Yeah. Whisk,
Here it is.
whisk.
Off you go. We're gonna whisk it all together, okay, guys?
Whisk.
That's good, Mimi. Yeah.
Smooth and clean.
Okay, now let Dum have a go.
I'm gonna mix it.
Yeah, Dum's gonna have a go.
Smells like yummy.
Smells really yummy. Now Dum's doing it. Dum. Fantastic. Next, here we've got, let me explain what we have to people. We have 1 banana here. I've mashed it, so look. Now, Dum is going to do the banana.
No, Mommy, but you whisk it. Then I whisk it, then he. Then
Okay.
that's my turn. Yeah, Mimi can put it and then I whisk the banana.
Okay, now leave that in there because it's just going to drip. Or maybe just rest it here. Right, Mimi, you do the banana then.
Put it in.
I'll just hold the plate for you. You do it, okay? All in.
Mommy, do you have to like put everything?
All of it. That's it. That's very good. That's brilliant. Because then you can look, you can just turn the fork to the side. And then it's a bit easier, do you see? You see that? All right then. So this is done. Now Dom's going to whisk. Wow, who's excited?
Then I'm going to put the other one, right?
You're going to do the next one, which is going to be...
Flour!
Actually, it's going to be milk.
I'm going to put the milk.
Oh, I need to warm it up. I forgot. So we need a cup of warm milk, okay? So let me just get a cup. Hold the bowl, please. I love you. Do you want to pour the milk?
Yeah, and then
Can you concentrate
no,
to
you
do
pour
it?
the
No,
milk
you
and
can
I
do
do
it.
that.
You can do it.
I can do both.
You can do both. Just focus, okay?
And then I whisk the milk.
Nice and slow.
Everything.
Not everything until you fill the cup. Going.
And then I whisk the milk.
One more. One more. I reckon that's enough now, darling. Thank you. So now Mama's going to warm it up. Guys, I'm just going to warm this up before we continue.
And I'm going to do the milk.
Then you're going to pour it. Yeah,
And then
hold on.
I mix it.
Right.
I mean whisk it, not mix it. And whisk it, not mix. It's different.
Is it? How is it different?
Because it's a different word.
Oh, you're right. It's a different word, isn't it? Okay. Are we doing ballet here? I mean, what's going on? Okay.
Of course, and I do that.
Right, let's just get the milk. That's almost ready. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
I just love you have one.
Right.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Okay.
Flour.
Right, Mimi, you're going to do the milk now, okay?
Milky. More milk on schedule.
Just make sure that's dripping in here and not on the worktop. Off we go, Mimi.
Ready, set, go.
All right, very good.
Oh, it's
It's all
hot.
right. It's just warm, not hot. Not hot at all, just warm. All right, can you give it a good mix? Sorry, whisk. Good.
Okay. You
Hold the
want
bowl.
to crack me up.
We do? Why do we crack you up?
You crack me up.
You think we're really funny?
You crack me up. You do it. Crack me up.
Right, and Dawn, can you do the flour, please? I'll hold the whisk for you. And just pop the flour in. Guys,
But
one
when
cup.
we need to do it, maybe can do it.
No, Mimi's going to mix now. Listen, 1 cup of half whole grain, half plain flour, okay? So they're mixed in here. Right. No, Mimi needs to mix a little bit, and Mommy needs to mix a little bit as well. Everyone needs to mix. Go. I'm going to let go, okay?
No, I'm going to whisk. Because then I'm
All
not
of it.
going to do any.
All of it. Make sure everything's met. Perfect.
Whiskey.
Right, Mimi's going to do it now. Hold the bowl, please. So we're going to whisk it together. We want to make sure there are no lumps in there. Lumps, like little bits of flour and stuff, right?
Yeah.
No, we don't want that. Whoa, that's amazing. That's like, did you see that? That's like really, my goodness, that's some serious skill. What do you reckon? Okay, let Jom have a go really fast. Careful not to spill.
That's going to be me again.
Right, careful not to spill, okay? Hold the bowl. Hold the
Then
bowl.
I'm going to do this.
There, this skill, wow, you guys have really learned well. Very good. Can Mummy have a go? Because I need to see if I need more flour or not. And I can only tell if I'm kind of mixing. Hold on.
That's this, right?
That's the baking powder.
Then it's this.
In a minute, yeah. Can I just have a little go? Real quick, please? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow, Mommy, you got strategy, eh?
You got a good strategy, that's right.
Mommy, is this how much you need?
Yes, but not yet. Whoa, don't fall. Right, we need a little bit more flour in here. Guys,
I'm going to put the flour because don't know
I need to explain.
You can put the flour.
I need to explain
Yeah.
something to our viewers. Listen, guys. You don't want this mixture to be too runny, okay? So if it's too runny, sometimes it happens, you just want to add a little bit more flour in there because you don't want it to be too runny, okay? So let me just get more flour. Can you stand, please?
And I'm going to put
Right, so I've got a little bit more. You can just pop that in there straight away.
No. Oh, Mimi's going to put the... Mimi's going to put the cooking powder,
Right,
Mimi.
can you mix it,
You're going
please?
to put the cooking powder. Baked powder.
Baking powder, yeah.
Baking powder. Yeah, the baking powder. Baking powder goes in here.
There it goes in there. Now I need to have a go to know if you need more flour or not.
Just in the one.
Alright then.
Get all of the flowers.
Okay, I think that's loads, right? That's loads.
It means crazy. It feels so nice.
It feels great, I know, but we don't need all of that. Okay, Mimi. We need to really not make such a mess. Okay, can I have a go, please? Thank you.
Getting flour.
No, this is alright. Mimi, some baking powder in here. Definitely not that. That's just too much. Right, about a teaspoon of baking powder. Pop that in there, please.
Puppy! Thanks, Mimi.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
Fantastic, Mimi. Okay, now we really need to clean this stuff. Wow. This is happening. Alright.
What are you doing? I'm failing. Very fun. Getting good, eh?
Right, so what we're going to do now, here I've got a non-stick frying pan.
Non-stick.
That's the name of it. Just going to heat it up a little bit. Preheat a little bit. So normally I do like 2 spoons of mixture for 1 pancake. Guys, when do we know it's time to flip them over? You flip them over when it starts to bubble up a little bit. When it starts to bubble up, you see bubbles on the surface, it's time to flip it. Not yet. Can you see? Look, the bubbles are forming. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys, okay? See, bubbles? That's it. So when you've got lots of bubbles, you can be sure to flip it.
3 pancakes.
Alright, so it seems like we have finished. So these are our
Pancakes.
Do you want to try one?
Yay!
It's a bit hot.
I'm gonna get a napkin so I can hold it.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
You don't need it, Joe. It's fine. Yeah.
And the butter.
In a minute, just try it first. Is it really? I don't think so. Mmm.
So good, it's not gonna be better.
You want some butter, don't you? It's so good though. Thumbs up. So try this at home. Super easy to make. Look, you want them to be quite golden. That's how you want them to be. Enjoy them. Healthy option. And I'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.